Guys, it's Ivy and it's time for Dollar General's 3-day sale, guys. Now, this sale is going to collide with the 5 off 25 Monday through Friday and also the clearance that starts on Friday. Plus, they have some 50%. So, let's go and see what they have to offer us. Hey guys, the first thing we're going to do is come over here, guys, to the detergent aisle because we're going to take advantage of this 3-day sale. And the first thing I'm going to look at is the Persils, the ones that's $9.95. Now, let me show it to you in the 3-day sale. Right here, they're 2 for $15. They're originally $9.95, okay? So pick up to first scan it. Let's scan and see what kind of deal we're looking at with this because this is actually a good deal. I'll show you right there. So it's $9.95. Okay, had to clean off my lens. $9.95. Now look at the coupons. Now we do have a spend 20, save 5. It's a Dollar General coupon. We have a 2 for $15 Dollar General coupon. And then we have a $3 cash back manufacturer. What is it that we know about manufacturers? We know that Dollar General coupon and the manufacturer coupon will stack. So as of now, whenever you see that little scissor, cut it. Let's cut that scissor. So these are 2 for $15 to Persil. Then you're going to earn $3 back. So these are actually going to be 2 for $12 or $6 each. So if I was you guys, I would grab that. Now, what else is going on with this deal? You can use your 5 off 25. But remember now, this is a Dollar General coupon. You need to cover whatever it is that was took off from the $9.95. So let's see. $19.45. So how did they get it to $15? They took off $4.45 for $15. So you'll have to cover $4.45 in order to use that 5 off 25. That 5 off 25 Monday through Friday works just like any other coupon, okay? That's how it works. The other Dollar General coupon, let me put it like that. I am definitely going to pick up my Persil. Now, it's saying something in here about the Tide. It's $19.95 with a $4 coupon. Let's see what that one is and why it's so particular starting on a 3-day deal. Okay, and here is why it is important. You see this Tide right here? It's for $19.95. Now, let me show you what I did. Remember, I kept telling you guys to hold on to that coupon right there, right? Look, they gave us a $4 coupon. But I also have a $1 manufacturer. Now, what probably will happen is that it'll take this $3 Dollar General and that $1 manufacturer coupon, okay? But on my other app, I do have a $4 one and a $2 manufacturer coupon. So that is the one that I will probably use. And yes, I'm going to get this because that takes me down from $4. So $19.95. Take away, let's just say, in hopes of they gave us the $4 one, the $4 Dollar General, and then let's take away the $1, the one manufacturer. That's gonna leave me, Lord. You guys know I'm slow, and then take away the other $1. $14.95. Guys, you pay $14.95 out of pocket for this. Put this with some more items, you could easily still get $20 for it. You could easily still get your $20 for this Tide right here, okay? So don't sleep on this Tide right here. That's a good deal. One more detergent deal, 2 for $6 Arm & Hammer. Now let's turn around and let's go see which ones they're telling us is $6. Now the $6 Arm & Hammers is going to be the ones that's $4 to $4.25. So let's scan those, okay? You want to keep scanning. You want to see why the 3-day deal is different from the regular deals that they do every day, okay? So that's the pods at $4.25. And they're just 2 for $6. So that just makes them $3 each. Now, you guys know Arm & Hammer is my favorite ones, right? I'm gonna see if this one is in here. I wish it was. That's 5. Nope, but I got a $2 coupon, making it $3 along with that. So you can do that deal. Let me see. And then it's these little ones, $4. And that one is not even coming up as it's okay. So far as these, not those, not these, and I think it's these odor blasters. Okay, $4. Yes, and there it is. 2 for $6. So yes, those are the ones that is on sale. So let's see. Sometimes we like for it to glitch. Look at that. You earn $1 back. But it's not a part of that 2 for $6 deal. All right, I do like the smell of this green one, that daisy smell. $4, and they're 2 for $6. So yes, guys, those are the ones that will be 2 for $6. Now, I have a guy that just became one of my customers, and he buys Arm & Hammer the sets from me. So last time he bought 4 of these. So I think I'm going to get 2 bags of these. He bought 4 bags of these and 1 liquid. And then he wanted these shakers right here, which I had a ton of them. So I just went in my storage and got them out. But that was an awesome deal. And I sold that to him for $30. For $25 plus, I added in some stuff. So I know that he'll come back next time. You guys want me to start doing bundle videos on bundle deals, let me know. Last time you watched them, but they wasn't that heavy, and I didn't want to start doing something that I would not be able to keep up because people wasn't watching it. Okay, so let's see. Now the next one. Okay, so the last thing, I think it's the last thing, it's going to be the Brawny. That's the 2-ply right here. They're $5. Let me scan it so you can see what's going on. $5. Number of coupons: 5 off 25. Dollar General. A manufacturer coupon: $4 off of 3. $1 off 1. 50-cent back. Limit of 5, so I'm going to get $1.50 back. And then it's supposed to be 3 for $10, which they're 3 for $10 on a 3-day sale, but not coming up in the app. So I'm gonna do that separately. So if you grab 3 of these 2-packs for $10, you get $4 off of 3, manufacturer coupon, $6. Then we have okay guys, manufacturer coupon right here. Manufacturer, and that's a manufacturer, so that won't work with it. I'm sorry. So you're going to get $4 off. Now you could do this one, spend 25, save 5. You know you have to get them, just collect all of them up. Okay, 3 for 10, so you get 3, you get 6 of them for 20, and then grab 1 more to make it 25. Plus you'll be able to use this 5 off 25, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so you're going to pick up 7 of these right here. 7 2-ply brownies. This is how the deal is going to go. I'll put it in here. It's saying $21, so that tells me everything is not, I don't know if this is not kicking in. This right here, so I'm going to see. So we get that $4 manufacturer off of 3. Then you have the 5 off 25, which is a DG. Then you have another $1. So you're going to get $5 off automatically. Okay, so 3 for 10 is $20. We're going to pick up 6, so it's $20. Then we're going to pick up 1 more, take it to 25. Now we're able to use that 5 off 25. Then we're able to use that $4 off and that $1 off. Should be $15. Divide that by 7, $2.14. I'm going to do this one by itself and see if it works. If not, guys, don't condemn me for it, but I'm pretty sure it should work like that, or it's separating at 3 for $10 might be a Dollar General deal. And if it is, then you know you have to cover the price of what's missing on that 3 for $10, which is $15. So you have to cover that $5. Maybe that's what it's making me do in my app. When I go to my app and I go to my list, see that it might be making me cover that. Okay. If so, that's why it won't come off. So it'll be $21 for 7 packs of these. I need these for the shop, guys. All right, guys. Hopefully I'll try to show you the ending of it. Bye. Hey, guys. Well, I did 15, but it came down. I got it all the way down. My taxes was 8%. So it did come down to the $15 and went up to $18.76. That's with, and then I used the gift card, so I paid nothing out of pocket. But if you look, all the deals, the promotions came off, every last one of them. Let me see, what was that? Yep, all the promotions came off, guys. Go do that deal. That is awesome, guys. Persil also worked, and I used a 5 off 25 that they had at the desk for me. Okay, thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.